Hey friends, welcome to Kishore's Travel Channel. In today's video, we'll try to know about 10 romantic and beautiful weekend road trips from Jaipur. Before proceeding ahead, I'd request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get such videos and you can enjoy your life. You can plan your holidays. So friends, Jaipur itself is a holiday destination that people across the country and even people from world pay a visit to. The palaces, forts, Jantar Mantar, Hawa Mahal, museum. These are so many things to see in Jaipur. And if you are a foodie couple, you'll undoubtedly fall in the love with the endless list of restaurants that offer special Rajasthan delicacies like lal mans, a variety of dals, gatte ki sabji, etc. etc. You can even visit Jokedani to satiate your taste buds. As far as things to do for a couple in Jaipur is concerned, you can visit Amber Fort early in the morning and take an elephant ride to reach the fort. In the evening, you can visit the nearby restaurants. One of the best places for couples in Jaipur is Jal Mahal. You will not only explore the unique attraction but can spend a quality time with each other. Nagar Graha is another fort in Jaipur that has an amazing view of the city and great dining options nearby. Another one of the best adventure places in Jaipur for couples is Jhalana Safari Park. You'll be able to spot several wild animals at this park. Some animals that you can spot here include golden jackals, spotted leopards, desert foxes, cheetahs, striped hyenas, while the birds include Indian pitta, owl, dusky eagle, spotted owl, to name a few. The month of February in Jaipur is one of the most pleasant to visit in the city. You can carry some light warm clothes which you may need around the night hours. When you are in the Pink City, do not forget to go for a shopping tour in the famous markets where you will come across a wide collection of ethnic and Rajasthani attires and footwears. Umed Lake Palace. There is a lake near the palace. Apart from the beauty of the palace, you can also spend time by the lake. It is a kind of experience that you will never forget. Distance from the Jaipur for this place is 55 kilometers. Kachman Fort. This is one of the most beautiful couple holiday destination near Jaipur that you can plan to visit. The location as well as architecture makes this place wonderful. The amazing hospitality offered by the staff here is something that you will miss when you go back home. Distance from Jaipur for this place is 133 kilometers. Sariska. If you both are fond of animals, you will love a trip to Sariska. You can spot a wide variety of animals as well as migratory birds at the Sariska Wildlife Sanctuary. Apart from this, you can also enjoy a peaceful environment at Sariska. Distance from the Jaipur for this place is 133 kilometers. Pushkar, one of the most romantic spots from Jaipur that you can go to is a Pushkar. You can sit by the lake and enjoy some time with each other. You can also visit the several temples that you will find here and seek blessing from God. Distance from Jaipur for the Pushkar is 144 kilometers. Nimrana. If you are in Jaipur or Delhi, there is no chance that you have not heard of Nimrana. Everything at Nimrana Fort is a beautiful and catchy. You can book a room for a couple of days and stay like royals. While you can enjoy absolutely breathtaking views from here, there is a lot of adventure sports for enthusiasts to enjoy as well. Distance from Jaipur for this place is 150 kilometers. Alwar. If you are the kind of couple who likes exploring the city, then Alwar is the place for you. From palaces to mountain monuments, from temples to lakes, and several forts, there are ample things to see in Alwar. As you visit Alwar, you are sure to make some lasting memories along. Distance from Jaipur is 152 kilometers. Ranthambore, one of the most romantic road trips from Jaipur can be to Ranthambore. This place has some amazing resorts where you can stay. Apart from that, you can also visit the palaces and forts here. And something extraordinary about the Ranthambore is the national park where you can witness tigers from proximity. Distance from the Jaipur is 160 kilometers. Mahal Khas Palace. You can enjoy Valentine Day amid regals at Mahal Khas Palace. Here, you will be able to experience luxury at its best. You will find some unique offers there, which makes the stay even more convenient. Distance from Jaipur is 187 kilometers. Indra Vilas. You can have an amazing experience of staying at one of the largest and oldest Havelis that offers luxury. This is one of the best romantic places to go on a Valentine Day from Jaipur, at least if you are fond of pampering yourself and having a nice time with your partner. Distance from Jaipur is 196 kilometers. Agra. A drive of 5 to 6 hours from Jaipur and you can visit Agra. The Taj Mahal in Agra is one of the major attractions that you can take a tour of. The splendid view of this wonder will leave you speechless. The symbol of love should be definitely visited on this special day when people around the world celebrate love. Distance from Jaipur is 241 kilometers. So friends, in this way, you can enjoy romantic weekend trips from Jaipur. I hope this you have liked this video. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.